Okay, you get going. Just pull her. Okay, come on, let's go.
All right, we're gonna meet Michelle for the first time. Ready? Okay, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Where did he go? Where is he? There he is.
Hey! Oh, she's nice. Yeah! Hey! You have a nice personality.
Oh my god, can you come home with
You are
us?
so gentle.
Now rub your hands all over your face.
No. Oh, I smell like dog.
Yeah, I think you should brush her actually. Here you go. It's not the greatest brush.
Oh, how am I supposed to say no if I do get allergies?